Hello student, it's a third part of this tutorial. If you directly come on this video, so please visit last two videos and then continue. Links are available in description. In this part we insert images in image box. I already placed these images. You can also download and place for your brochure. Now one by one I place these images in the image box. First I move this image on this image box and make sure image should be in the downside of this image box. So I press Ctrl and open bracket. You can also check in the layer panel. So it's a image layer and it's a image box layer. So this layer should be on the top of this image. You can also move this image by click and drag method like this, or control open bracket and close bracket also work. I press open bracket and close bracket to change the order. Now select both objects and then press it. First I ungroup these objects, then select both objects by using shift key and then press Ctrl and 7. You can also choose this tool from menus. Go to object, clipping mask and mask. Shortcut is Ctrl 7. If you want to move this image little bit down, so just double click. So it's editing mode. Now you can shift this image little bit downside. Or you can also scale, but our image has no space. Okay. And double click in the outside to exit the editing mode. Same as I place these images in this image box. In this shape we have to apply some blending effects. So first I make a duplicate copy of this shape. So Ctrl C, Ctrl F. So these are two shapes. Select only one shape and then press Ctrl 7 like this and change the order. Now select this image and change opacity around 90. Select this image and hide. So you can select the bottom layer change the scale size, double click for exit. Now unhide this image. Okay, like this. You can also place any other image. I make a duplicate copy of this shape. Select both shape and press Ctrl 7. And then align. And change opacity options. You can also place texture in other shapes like this. We copy this image for this place. Make a duplicate copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl F. And change opacity little bit like this. Okay, you can also apply textures for other boxes. Like I have some images for this text box, for this image box. Okay, finally we complete the brochure designing. I delete these reference images. Now I hide these guidelines, so go to view and choose guides, hide guide. It's a shortcut. Okay, so we complete the design of this trifold brochure, front and inside pages. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.